Welcome to Nambardar TV. I'm your host Naveed Ahmad. Today I'm excited to explain the story of All Pakistan Nambardar Lumbardar Association REG.
Welcome to APNA, the voice of Nambardars. Today we're proud to showcase the power and influence of the All Pakistan Nambardar Association, the largest and most prominent organization representing the Nambardar community. From its humble beginnings to its current stature, APNA has been a driving force for change and progress. Let's explore its journey and achievements. APNA was founded by a group of visionary Nambardars who recognized the need for a united voice. Despite facing numerous challenges, they persevered and laid the groundwork for a stronger, more resilient community. APNA has been at the forefront of empowering Nambardars through education, economic development, and social welfare initiatives. From establishing schools and healthcare facilities to providing legal aid and advocacy, APNA has made a tangible impact on the lives of countless Nambardars. APNA has been a vocal advocate for Nambardar rights, challenging injustices and discrimination. Through peaceful protests, awareness campaigns, and strategic partnerships, APNA has brought attention to critical issues and driven meaningful change. APNA's leadership has been instrumental in shaping the organization's vision and direction. From receiving national awards to being recognized by international organizations, APNA's legacy is a testament to its dedication and perseverance. APNA's story is one of courage, resilience, and determination. As we celebrate its achievements, we're reminded that the power of unity and collective action can drive real change. Join us next time on APNA, the voice of Nambardars, as we continue to explore the impact and influence of this remarkable organization.